create a package in Python, we first need to create a directory and give it a package name. Here, it will be phones. Then we need to create modules. To do this, we need to create a file. Let's make a file apple. Now let's create a class apple. First we need to create a constructor for this class and add members to it. Here it will be models. Our constructor defines itself and self.models with the items iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, iPhone SE and iPhone 11. A normal print function, def out models, self and print. These are the available models for Apple. For model in self.models, print \t for the tab space and a variable model. Now we'll create another file with the name google.py and add similar type of code to it with the different members. So let's just copy our code and paste it here and change Apple to Google and items of self.models with Pixel 5, Pixel 4a 5G, Pixel 4a and Pixel 4 XL. Now again, we will create another file but with name xiaomi.py. Apple will be Xiaomi and items of self.models will be Redmi Note 10 Pro, Redmi Note 8 Pro, Redmi K40 and Mi 10. And now finally, we will create the init.py file. This file will be placed inside phones directory and can be left blank, or we can put this initialization code into it. From Apple import Apple, from Google import app Google and from Xiaomi import Xiaomi. We need to tell Python a particular directory is a package, and for that we create a file named init.py inside it, and then it is considered a package. Now it's time to use the package that we created. To do this, let's make a sample.py file in the same directory where our phones package is located. And now let's write our code. Import classes from our brand new package from Apple import Apple, from Google import Google and from Xiaomi import Xiaomi. Now we'll create an object of Apple class and call its method. Object Apple is equals to Apple and object Apple.our method outModels. Create an object of Google class and call its method again. Object Google is equals to Google and object Google.outModels. Create an object of Xiaomi class and call its method again. Object Xiaomi equals Xiaomi and object Xiaomi.outModels. Now we'll run the file. Now as you can see on the output screen, our code is working fine, no errors. This means that we have successfully imported our package and its modules. So we created a package today, it's working fine. And so see you all in the next video.